Doritos Guacamole. Doritos Guacamole. Let's do this. Doritos Guacamole. Doritos Guacamole. Welcome, everybody. It doesn't have a flavor. What's in your stomach? Don't eat them. Doritos Guacamole. Welcome, everybody. It doesn't have a flavor. What's in your stomach? Don't eat them. Let me try it one more time. These are Doritos Guacamole. No. No. 10 out of 10, what I recommend. 1, no. I'll probably give this a 1. I would not recommend. It doesn't have any flavor. Horrible. And go. Doritos Guacamole. Damon's review.
Yeah, so I think if you had like some kind of dipping sauce or something with these.
Oh, yeah.
I think they'll be way, way, way better. But just them as it is, I'd give it like a 5, maybe like a 5.5. But if you had like some dipping sauce or something like that, probably bump it up to maybe a 6.5, 7, possibly, But
all right, guys, see you later.